This is. I was gonna ask if they made them that long.
No, this was a custom built from.
Going to the next barn. We got hiding in here. Oh, fun. This truck's pretty solid.
Bought that brand new.
Did he really? Hey guys, we're headed over to another place that's got some older cars. Sorry, I need a haircut. I just want to check out some stuff over there. There's an old 40s Packard. I guess it's been owned since, I think, the 50s. And then another Mercury and a couple other odds and ends. We'll see when we get there. I guess it's an estate that the guy had quite the collection. He passed away last year. He was 94 years old. And when we get over there, we'll find out what he has. All right, should be a fun day, even though it's 10 degrees outside. Eek. All right, let's check it out. All right.
You can make me an offer.
Yeah. Ooh, it's warm in here. Oh, I got all dressed up. Mercury, what a great car. Love the lines on it.
Look at the lines on that body. That thing, I mean, it has some rust in it, you know. Like,
Oh, it's just a little bit. I mean, it's got a little bubbling down here.
right there.
Yeah, it's a little bit down there. And
There's another fender on the other side, but underneath there, it looks like.
man, this thing is great. I love this car. These are rare. You don't see these. I'm making the price go up, aren't I? And what's it have for an engine? Is it a small V8?
Yeah, it's like a 230 V8.
Yeah, it's small, real small. Yeah. These aren't really sought after, but I love it. I love the taillights. Yeah, it's in great shape. I think a lot of these just got junked because no one really liked them. So you
My
see,
dad put 30-day plates on it, drove from Nebraska.
and then parked it
And then parked it. And
in the barn that you took down.
Not in the barn. Well, yeah, actually. Sometimes it's that outside. See, there's the biggest rust hole right there.
Yeah, it looks like someone kicked it in a little bit trying to test it. Oh no, that's just behind the.
It's just a second, you know, like
That's not so bad. Yeah, the patina's awesome. Beautiful color. Look, has it been repainted once?
It looks like
It looks like it has. Yeah, it's been repainted once. Give
You
some
got
more
the
care.
hubcaps, all the factory hubcaps for it.
All right. Are they wired hubcaps or they? Yeah, the keys in the trunk. Yeah. Oh yeah, those are great. Flying saucers. Wow, it's trunk solid, huh?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, wow. Oh. Man, those sills are all good. Wow, look at the floors. Ooh, love that smell. You start to like it, that's the problem. Tiny V8.
Yeah, very tiny.
Wow. Oh yeah, she's free.
Yeah,
What's the problem? Were you trying to start it from the trunk?
oh, my father.
Oh, I love that. I'm falling in love with this car.
And then, like I said, I don't know where these went. Why would he take them off?
This is an awesome car.
I like the dash. I think the dash is fast.
I love the whole thing. I just sat in it. I shouldn't have sat in it. Oh, this is just great.
Besides that steering wheel.
This is just. I love the emblem.
One that came off somewhere. I think it's got
Too bad the dash is like cracked in half right there, but
that.
headliner's really nice. The it looks like for some reason the sun visors just blew up. They're like, oh, it's hot in here, bang. They just split open like they just, like someone put a firecracker in them. It'd clean up really nice. You got that key? You got the key? See if you getting any kind of spark? Any lights? Is that the battery? Oh wait, I got something. A gauge moved. Yeah, but I got a little, undo the battery. 1 of 13, that's an old battery. Oh, the lights are on.
There you go.
This just doesn't have enough. It's real dim. Yeah, that won't start it. Oh, that's a big jump box.
Oh yeah, this thing's got some fucking
You're a
power.
professional.
Yeah, right to 12.
Yeah.
Yeah, 12.
There's oil on this guy?
I can imagine. That's one thing my father always was meticulous about, is keeping oil check.
That is clean. Got a light out. Ooh.
Well, that's my
Yeah. All right. Let's see what we get. Yep.
No, I bet you if I dropped some gas down that carburetor, it should fire right open.
I bet. That's so neat. What year is that?
51.
Are you selling that?
Yeah, we were, but my brother said he wants it. He's
Good, keep it in the family.
he's trying to come up with the money.
It's in really good shape.
Yeah, it's been inside.
It's beautiful.
But it's a custom, as you see, because they don't make them that long usually.
I was gonna ask if they made them that long.
No, this was a custom built from a coach company. I think we've only found one
this is
other
awesome.
in Vermont. Some inn has it.
Oh, that sounds about right. Wow. Have you tried to run it?
Well, like I said,
Straight six?
family vehicle, but
Yeah.
you know, it's been sitting without running now probably 40 years.
Wow, the wood is in amazing shape on it.
It's got a little rock here and there on the inside.
It's not bad though. I mean, it's.
Not bad now.
Care if I open it up? Oh wow, that opens really nice. Ah, these are. Yeah, you guys got to keep this. This is neat.
Just come, you know, even my brother buying it, because all the money in the estates goes to my mother for her care. She's got Alzheimer's.
Oh yeah, I'm sorry to hear that. That's tough to deal with.
So my brother's trying to come up with the 15 grand that we.
I would say this is worth a good amount. Even the roof's in good shape. Yeah. What year is this again?
It's a 50.
Yeah, I was gonna guess right around there. I was gonna say 49 or 50.
Last time I was on the road was 1961.
Yeah, this has been on this property since then. Wow. I love it. Restore me. Yeah, this is a beautiful rig. Look at that. Have your little
My father
picnics.
stored hay in it.
You have picnics back here.
Oh, yeah.
Family
The
picnics.
only thing that's missing is the.
I was gonna ask you.
There was like 2 more rows of seat at one time.
They weren't in the barn, huh?
Well, no, I think my dad took them out.
Yeah, so you could use it as a farm vehicle.
You could use it as a pickup truck.
Oh, what a beautiful truck. Wow. Oh, I'd love to just drive this thing.
They moved from Waltham, Mass.
Yeah,
And they just loaded this up and came.
yeah.
This is, I was like 1 year old. And then he still had a job down in Waltham. He used to commute.
With this?
Oh yeah. Like I said, it was a family.
What year was that?
This is back in 51, 52, 53.
Yeah. He used to commute in this.
Yeah.
So did he have it made, or he bought it?
He bought it from a guy that hated it. Guy bought it brand new, he hated it, and he sold it to my dad for $50.
Wow.
That was back, you know, $50 was a lot of money.
Yeah. And what's it have? Does it have a flathead 6 in it?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah. Right here? Oh yeah. Is that, oh, neat. I don't know the Dodges very well. Yeah. Let me see if she's locked up. If it's been inside the whole time, right?
Sometimes not in the heated building. It was just in the
She's moving a little bit. Let me see if I can. Right there. I love this stuff. Might be in gear too. Hard to tell here.
You would need all rebuilt anyway.
It's not moving, but it could be in gear. These engines are pretty simple. I mean, if you don't have,
It's like a tractor engine.
it's the valves that get you.
Sticks.
Yeah, they get really gummy. What happens, a lot of people don't realize, you got to take the cover off the other side to free them up. People will take the heads off and they'll smack them.
You just get that little side.
Yeah, it's on the side panel. It's great.
That's where you adjust it.
Yeah, it's where you adjust them, but people, what they'll do is they'll take the heads off, they'll smack the tops of the valves and snap the valve right off. Can't do that on these.
Right.
Breaks them right off. Yeah.
It's solid lifters.
Yeah. So you get into that access panel and you can lube them up and free them all up. They're nice. Going to the next barn. We got hiding in here. Oh, fun. This one isn't heated.
No.
Oh, I love it. Look at all the old belts hanging up.
My dad's collection. That's the 50. That's the 47 Studebaker.
Oh, two-door. Oh, yes.
It's all. It's gonna be like I said, the hood's all ripped off.
You got all the wrong tools on here. Those are all wood tools. You never fix it with those. Jeez. What a great shot.
Talk about a barn find.
Yeah, that is just great.
But again, this thing, you know, the floors are solid, the doors close and open and close.
How long has it been in here?
Well, this was in the barn we tore down. We put it in, this was built probably 10 years ago.
Yeah, it doesn't look that old.
About maybe 10 years it's been in here. Before
Yeah.
it was, this and that woody were in that barn over there.
Yeah.
That was also where we kept our cows in the hayloft and the story with this, we used to live in town in Deerfield.
Yeah?
And my father had a friend that he had to let him keep it in his barn over Old Center Road in Deerfield.
Yeah.
And I had a couple kids that were always getting in trouble.
Yeah.
And they were freaking in the hayloft. They were jumping off the hayloft and using the roof as a trampoline. You know, bouncing off the roof.
Oh no!
They thought it was so fun until they broke through.
And bent the roof.
That's how that got like
That's
that.
how the roof got bent. Trampoline.
That's that guy there just bought these.
Oh, look around. I like that. Here's the Alante.
That's only got.
It's with the Dodge truck. That's cool.
This came from Nebraska. Look at the body on that thing.
These are one of my favorite styled trucks. I love them. I think they're the best looking long bed. All the other long beds, they didn't have any detail on them. They're just flat, and then it has that little point down here in the back of the bed, and they continue it all the way up. It's just
Look at the body on it.
Oh, the body's great. She's got a nice body.
Campus special.
How's her face though?
Good.
She's got a pretty face and a nice body. Oh, the grill's in even good shape. Usually these grills are all mangled because they're so big. They always get big dents in them, and oh, I'm glad you're keeping this. Good for you.
This is what I chose because I had the choice between. Well, actually,
I'm guessing this one was out against the outside wall. This side.
either that, or I think as a replacement fender, maybe.
Yeah.
And they just had a shitty paint job because that's the worst part of the whole truck.
Yeah, I love the louvers and the hood. I mean, they're not real, but the little bumps. But
Yeah.
look at that. This is a great truck. You chose wisely.
Well.
You got a Volkswagen? Hey, it says bucket seats in it. Look like, what are these out of? It's a stock.
This is the old land yacht.
That's what you were telling me about, right? The Bonneville. Yeah, those are huge. That's the last of the big cars right there. Convertible race car.
The guy had Manchester Speed Shop build it.
Yeah.
He's got over 22,000 in receipts for the motor. I mean, this thing's built. You should.
John Deere.
You went up to Iowa and bought that. Back.
Hope we didn't drive it back.
No.
What's up with the three-wheeler?
Little Suzuki 125.
It's cute. It's in good shape.
Yeah.
Needs light in the front fender.
It's like the headlight needs
Yeah, the headlight's missing. Someone punched its lights out. This ran when parked. Yeah. Did you was this yours?
No, it was actually, I had a brother that him and I were about the same, well, like 9 months apart.
Yeah.
He got it. My dad used it to drive it around the fields and stuff.
Pull start.
Vehicles now.
Oh, look at all the tractors.
Oh yeah. Tractor graveyard.
Tractor. Oh, look at the old bulldozer. Oh. Look out, big dog. Hi, puppy. Hi, you're a big boy. This truck's pretty solid.
Yeah, he actually bought that brand new.
Did he really?
Yeah, we had just a flatbed on it at one time.
Yeah.
And for a long time when I was like a teenager, we went to, we'd go up to Vermont and all cedar posts to the fence business.
Yeah.
And then after that, we went and put a dump body on it.
You drive this up to Vermont?
We used to drive that every weekend. We'd go up there, bring back a load of cedar.
Yeah.
We're actually going to the junkyard. Get more for scrap than I can sell them anyway.
Really?
Yeah, I'll get $1,500 scrap.
That's too bad.
Pay that for a truck.
No, no one will. That's too bad.
Yeah, I know.
That's really too bad. That's neat that you bought it new. Get it running, keep it around. This one definitely was trying to be saved. See a doodle bug. All right. The Chevy.
Yeah. His license plate.
That's not an MGB.
No.